here. And always give me joy, peace, and love to be here with you guys. And good afternoon here in Nigeria. Where we are now is good afternoon. So, um, just in my office this afternoon. In case you're just joining, you're welcome. And I'm happy you guys are here. And I'm happy you are here. And I'm happy I'm here too. All of us, we are all here. So we are happy. We are all here. I hope everything is going fine. I hope today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. How are you enjoying the Wednesday? I hope the Wednesday is treating you fine, great, and good. You know, when you're alive like this, sometimes you just have to, let people in your life to know what you're doing, all right? So sometimes just don't feel like, this guy like making live video. Because we it's a good thing that YouTube has given to us this live streaming. So, oh, actually, you look at this hair, the way my haircut is. It was my wife that cut this hair for me. You can see one of my previous live video. It was my wife that cut this hair for me, and I'm so happy that she cut this beautiful, good-looking hair. And you see, I'm looking handsome. Who made it? Who did it? My wife. So I so much appreciate her for that. Yeah, I do. She's doing well. Sometimes it's always good to have a wife that supports you, even a husband that supports you. It's very important. Because when you don't have, that will give you problems. But when you have a wife, the husband that supports you, that's fine. At least you have some good enjoyment. Guys, please comment, share this video, and I would like to have some membership. So if you are here and you want to be part of my membership, good. I would love to have you around. Yeah. So you can have access to all those exclusive videos. Comment, let me know where you're watching me from, and let me see. Just tell me, let me know how your day is going. Wherever you are, how is it going with you? What is happening around you? You can just send me a chat. It's just funny enough that I cannot invite you. If there's a way I could invite you, I would have invite you, but I don't know. But I'm here. So let's talk. Let's have a gist. Let's gist, guys. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. What do you have? What are you saying? Let's talk, guys. Let's talk. 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 Like people on other platforms, they will say follow for follow, follow follow. Now talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. And support. Welcome, Mimi. Mimi, how are you? Is this Mimi? Mimi, welcome. How is it going? Are you good? Thank you for joining. Let me just know how your day is going. How is your day going? Are you enjoying your day? Are you sad? Are you happy? Are you what are you doing? Let's just know how is your day going? Say something. You can tell me, okay, my day is good, my day is bad, my day is just cool. I'm just chilling. So let's have this conversation. Yes, I've changed my name. Oh, when you saw the live video, you know that I'm the one. So I've changed my name. Yeah, change is constant. So how's it going with you? I hope you're good. Yeah, let's know where you're watching. Mimi, where are you watching from? Tell me, where are you watching me from? Let me just know where you're watching me from. Let's know where you're watching from. And let's thank you. Let's greet you. I like the first main door. Yeah, that one is gonna stay on Facebook. It's not going to stay here. So we use that one on Facebook, not here. So, guys, oh, you're watching from Makudi. Oh, I'm in Makudi too. Which part of Makudi are you? Let me not go and fall down. I don't want to fall. Which part of Makudi are you? You're watching from Makudi. Makudi, Benue State, right? I'm in Makudi, Benue State too. So we're in the same place. I would have found it too. So guys, share, comment, and then like. And if you have a gift, send gifts. If you have a gift, send gifts. If you have any commission, comment. If you want to comment. I'm just here to just have a nice time with you guys. So if you're watching me, it will be nice for you to just like this video. And like this video, you will not die. Like the video. Like the video, my friend. Let me know where you are watching me from. All right? Let us know who you are. Let us meet you. Let us talk to you. Let us gist with you. Let us have a nice time with you, talking to you. And let us, I can even play music for you if you want. But not the one that can give me copyright issues. I don't want that. So, let's just take note of that. But I'm happy to be in the midst of great people. You see my hair? It's my wife that gave me this kind of fine style. Fine hairstyle. It sounds funny, right? But I love it too. I love the hairstyles. It looks good on me. So, guys, let us know where you're watching from. Let us know where you're watching from. Hello, guys. How are you? Hope you're fine. Dun, dun, dun. Bam, 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 bam. You take me just as me. You choose me all over again. I am the one you love. I am the one you love. I don't have to prove anything. So today is Wednesday, yeah. Today is Wednesday. Today is not Wednesday. Today is Thursday. What is today's date? Let me know. What is today's date, guys? Sometimes I wonder why I'll have beautiful, great people watching me, and sometimes nobody will be commenting. Just comment and say something. You know, it makes more sense when you comment and say something, and it will just make the conversation flow. All right. So after this video, I need to go downstairs and then record something for my YouTube channel. Yeah. I just need to. There's some people who are graduating from a catering school, so they've been cooking, and I just need to go there and then get some videos of them, ask them some few questions, how they feel, what they're looking for after here, what are they going to get after here. Do you understand? I'm happy for you guys. But, you know, sometimes I'm happy that you guys are supporting this channel. And the way this channel is growing, it's like the channel is just growing. Now we have about how many subscribers? 5,250 subscribers. That's big. That's massive. Without you, how will I get all these subscribers? But you guys are here supporting me day by day, time after time. You know, even if I'm doing things that are not right or are not good, but you guys are still here supporting me, giving me that energy. I really appreciate. I really appreciate every one of you that you're supporting this channel. I appreciate everybody that is watching this video. You're always coming to my live. You're always watching my videos, liking, commenting. I really appreciate you. You are my family. You are my family. I don't call you fans, you know. You are my family. Everybody that's watching my video is my family. Yeah, you're not my fans. We are family. If you don't take me as your family, but me, I take you as my family. All my YouTube family. You are family, yes. So I cannot say, oh, they are my fans. No, you're not my fans. You are my family. Not fans, or family. That's who you are to me. So guys, comment, share. Let me know where you're watching me from. And that would be good. If you don't mind, you know, just say, I'm watching you from here, from here. You know, it doesn't take anything for us to just comment and then people know where you're watching the video from. And we're not coming to fight you where you are. So just let us know. All right? Let us know and we'll say thank you. Oh, people are watching us. Imagine somebody's watching us from Makudi. You may be watching us from America, Lagos, Nigeria, Kenya, India, South Africa, Ghana, Tanzania, Uganda, you know, anywhere around the world. So it's good if you can just say, oh, we're watching you from this place, we're watching you from this place. That would be awesome. So guys, let us know where you're watching us from. Where are you watching us from? Let us know. Who is saying what? Who is saying what? Who is saying what? Let's know where you're watching from. Can you just introduce yourself like, my name is this. When nobody's talking to me, I should just go back to my editing, right? Somebody will say, oh, you are at work and you are playing. I'm not playing, no. I have work I'm doing. I'm editing.
Good day, one person in Ama Fagachi. The Diana ha. Kakwa ge luto. Aho pa huma.
Is it not that wants to work this way?
Kakwa ge luto. Aho pa huma.
Yeah. What she got? Hello. Hello guys. Hello, Amos. Amos, how are you? How you doing, Mr. Amos? How's it going? I hope you're good, bro. Thank you for joining. Where are you watching from? Amos. So I'm trying to edit this video, so.
Okay, action. Okay, action.
Hello. Come si boki.
Oh. Undo. I was not supposed to delete that, so sorry. I'm back. I still need you.
Please, I beg you in the name of Jesus. To avoid problems. I check that you.
I don't know what to do. I got a tower. So, Wanga.
Hello, Pandiva.
Upana.
Why?
So, I don't know she shana. Was a young Wanga.
But was you?
Anyway,
I'm not happy.
you're not happy. So, what would you like?
But I'm not happy. Can't favor.
Wanga.
Hello, Pandiva.
Upana.
Why?
So, I don't know she shana. Was a young Wanga.
But was you?
Anyway,
I'm not happy.
Not happy.
you're not happy. So, what would you like?
But I'm not happy. Can't favor.
Favor.
Get friend.
Favor, what you want? Was a young Wanga.
But was you?
Anyway,
I'm not happy. Can't favor.
hi.
But I think favor over here energy. Again, favor over here energy.
Okay, guys, I'm editing a video, so that's
people went to change yoga. People went dinner and fire guy eating breakfast, lunch or dinner in yaga. If I don't cook, she will not eat. She doesn't sweep, she doesn't do anything. One more people how much go back to my selfie, snapping herself, posting on Facebook and all that. One more elinga.
One nigga feel go Vanya. I'm a hitching you, brother. Ah, when he can't even free now, man. Who can't flip you on Gaze and down?
People go Vanya. Alo he call in yaka flip, but I flip for what he knows so longer.
Kako ya se la sha se be nigga. She kwanguru oro muga. Ka yo boys was ne donja afakwa ka the self on nigga she ida ba fe mo gane.
So if I was praising her ways, my characters that change, and you should know that I'm not happy. How can I expect this
So
type
no,
of thing she's doing?
also no ndeko favor. Ndeko ana.
We're so glad they.
So ga dem na.
Also with them, I will support you because people that understand favor nigga.
No for the one I don't show man.
I don't show my boy be awo.
Na mo so we me eruwe. Muka gbe ganu yi mo da no mo hi yo no mo. Muka mo no mo e kwasa mo no si ya wana.
Favor, but you mo ba no tesu. Young boys, so he go complaining about choosing over.
In a way, I'm choosing over way. Keep me the again, keep me the again by choosing, by choosing what you can show ya.
Who learning lesson? You will never learn.
So what till it
You will never book answer where you look at.
In us, nigga, walk calm away. What was in a punja? Look at my what was the bar? Where am I he got?
Have you forgotten what Sewe did to you? No.
Now we got say where? Favor also that's one na.
She made me complaining. I came here to complain to you so that over him too dramatic for all of us, guys. I'm coming here to complain to you out of respect. But I don't understand Mubega. Anything more.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys for coming to support, watch, and God bless you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.